Hello students, today I am here with another experiment, that is to study the moisture content of the different soils. Why we need to study the moisture content? Just because sometimes you must have seen that different soil have different kind of a particle which can study that which soil can hold what amount of moisture. According to that we can plant the different plants or the trees. So we'll study that what is the moisture content in the different soil sample. So for that we have taken two soils, that is crop field soil and the river bank soil, because these two soils has little bit more moisture in comparison to the other soil sample. So further I'll show you that how to perform the activity. So as you can see, this is the proper setup for doing this moisture content in the different soil sample. So I have taken two samples as I told you. One is the crop field soil and another one is the river field soil, river bank soil. So these two are the samples. I have to take, like I am taking 20 gram of the each soil sample. So this is, as you can see, this is 20 gram of the soil sample I have taken. So I'll put these samples in china dish. And the same you have to do with the another sample. Now what you have to do, as you can see this, there is a spirit lamp, and now you have to dry this soil sample. While you when you are doing this, you have to make sure that china dish is properly very hot. So just hold it properly and do with both the soil sample. You have to dry the soil samples. It's little bit dry because I kept it first. So both the soil sample, it will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes to dry, because 20 gram soil sample I have taken, and you know that this is the rainy season, so obviously the moisture will be there, more moisture will be there. So now second sample, like this one is little bit dry and this one I have to do again because the moisture is more in this sample. Let's do it for 5 to 6 minutes because it will take 5 to 6 minutes, because as you can see the water is more, I think. So as you can see, and the soil has been dried properly. So now we'll weigh the soil quantity, that now what is the proper weight or the final weight of the soil, and we'll do the both with the both the sample, like we have taken two samples and I have done. So now I'll take the sample and I'll take that proper and the final weight of the sample. So as you can see, the final weight is 16 gram. Like initially we took 20 gram of the soil sample, now it's 16 gram. Now we'll do the same thing with the another sample. So as you can see with the another sample, it's 14 gram now. So now I'll write these readings on the board, so just to show you the calculations. So as you can see the readings, initially we took 20 gram of the soil sample and final weight was the 14 gram of the this crop field, and that 16 gram weight was the river bank soil. So you can see the moisture content. This crop field was holding 6 gram of the moisture and river bank was holding 4 gram of moisture. So now we can at least understand that which soil is better for which kind of a crop. So according to these moisture content experiment, we can understand that we should plant the more trees in the crop field soil, or you can say the crop field soil is better for planting the trees. Thank you.